In this module, learn about catalogue pricing and how it is used. When you make a purchase order for a managed material item, the price you pay to suppliers may be different from the current unit cost. This may be due to suppliers increasing or decreasing prices. The catalogue price field in the material item's details allows you to use the current price at the time of purchase. Firstly, ensure you have catalogue pricing enabled in your Tidy account. Go to Company under Global Settings and click on the Sales and Purchases tab. Down here, click the checkbox next to Enable Catalogue Price. This will ensure that any catalogue prices we set will be used as the default when purchase orders are made. Let's look at the item Nylon Insert Lock Nuts. Its unit cost is $8.99, and this cannot be modified because it is a managed item. Therefore, if a supplier informs you of a price increase or decrease, the unit cost cannot be simply overtyped. Instead, enter the new supplier price into the catalogue price field here. $10.99 will become the default price for this item when we make purchase orders. If we make a new purchase order for the Nylon Insert Lock Nuts, we can see that the cost is now $10.99, which is the catalogue price we just set up. On the side, we can also see this item's purchase order history and see that the unit cost was $8.99 for previous orders. Now, let's save this order as sent and then receive it in. Once the order is received in, head back to Nylon Insert Lock Nuts under Materials. The unit cost has changed to 9.01. This is because, as a managed item, its unit cost is calculated as a weighted average of the total cost divided by quantity. Since we just purchased the Nylon Insert Lock Nuts at a higher price, the average unit cost increased. Below, the last purchased cost displays the last unit cost you paid for this material item. Here, we can see that it has changed from $8.99 to $10.99 due to our recent purchase order. If the catalogue price is deleted for this material item, the last purchase cost becomes the default price when we make new purchase orders.